Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact size and format required by the application, then pick a recent headshot with a plain background and neutral clothing. Once done, open your phone's gallery and the photo editor app you trust. You need both visible. You're doing this to avoid repeated re-uploads and rejections. Make sure the original file is backed up, and note the pixel dimensions so edits stay within the form's rules. Now crop tightly to the required frame, centering the head and leaving some shoulder space. This ensures the ID machine or reviewer sees your face clearly. Next, tweak exposure, contrast, and white balance until skin tones look natural. Small adjustments prevent an overprocessed look. If needed, use the app's healing tool to remove tiny blemishes or stray hairs, but avoid altering features. These steps keep the image compliant and professional, so the application. Finally, resize the image to the exact pixel dimensions and compress it to meet the file size limit without losing clarity. Export in the required format and rename the file with your applicant ID or name for easy tracking. Before you submit, preview the image at 100% and test the upload in the application form to confirm it displays correctly. If the form rejects it, recheck dimensions and compression settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.